In this video, I'll show you how to find your Bitcoin address on Binance. First, open the Binance app on your phone or go to the Binance website and log into your account. Make sure you are using the official Binance platform because your wallet address is used to receive real crypto funds. Once you are logged in, go to Wallets. On the mobile app, you can usually find this at the bottom right corner of the screen. On the website, move your cursor to Wallet, then open Fiat and Spot or Spot Wallet. Now look for BTC, which is the symbol for Bitcoin. You can scroll through your asset list or use the search bar and type BTC to find it faster. When Bitcoin appears, tap or click on it. Then choose Deposit. This is the option you use when you want to receive Bitcoin into your Binance account. After selecting Deposit, Binance may ask you to choose a network. This step is very important. For a regular Bitcoin deposit, choose the Bitcoin network, which may appear as BTC or Bitcoin. Do not choose another network unless you are completely sure the sender is using the same one. Once you select the correct network, Binance will show your Bitcoin deposit address. This is your Bitcoin address on Binance. You will usually see it as a long combination of letters and numbers, along with a QR code. To receive Bitcoin, tap Copy Address, and send it to the person or platform sending you BTC. You can also let them scan the QR code if they are sending from another device. Before sending any Bitcoin, always double-check that the address is copied correctly and that the selected network is Bitcoin. Sending crypto to the wrong address or wrong network can cause permanent loss of funds. If you are sending Bitcoin from another wallet to Binance for the first time, it is a good idea to send a small test amount first. After the test transaction arrives successfully, you can send the full amount. You can also check the deposit page for the required confirmations and estimated arrival time. Bitcoin deposits may take some time, depending on network activity, and that's how you find your Bitcoin address on Binance. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.